Karauli
muthuri ucio urari haria Karauli
centers. The turnout is very wonderful. The people have come out in numbers, and the officers that are there are doing quite a commendable job. Just a few hitches here and there that are common, like in the morning, some of our agents were asked to provide copies of the ID, which is not a requirement by law, but we had the RO solving the problem adequately. So from where I sit, the process is going on very nicely. The security is very tight. The people are coming out in numbers, and I imagine them to continue coming out. There's still time until 5. Those that are still traveling, we wish them well, safe journeys to arrive here on time, so that every vote counts. That is what we want. Every vote must count. We must exercise that right that is there in our constitution, what we call universal suffrage. Let everyone have the right to vote. Thank you.
Are you confident of winning?
Well, I have done my campaign very well. I've put my trust in God. The numbers are very good from the exit polls, both from our side and even the side that we are competing with. The margins are very wide, and you'll see in a few hours. So to answer your question, in the affirmative, it's an obvious yes.
Maybe you can tell us about an incident that happened last night where some people were attacked and some were rushed to Bahati and Nakuru Hospital. What would you say about that?
First, thank you. Okay, no problem. No problem. Is this a better place?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I think it has been said as a president that we must introduce myself. So for the record, my name is John Methu, the Secretary General of the DCP Party. And we are here to accompany our candidate, the Honorable Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru. And the process so far is satisfying. We are very satisfied by the plans and the way the IBC is running this election so far. We can't say that we have seen any major issue, especially from the referee, who is the IBC. And I think also in my history as a politician around, this would be one of the highest turnouts that I've seen around that everywhere in the constituency. The people are out, and they are out in large numbers. The only issue that I want to say is to urge our people, please come out and vote early. The process is very seamless. You've seen that all the people who are getting in there, they are spending very few minutes and they are out. The process is quite fast. And so therefore, you have no reason of saying that I'll wait at home until the queues are whatever. You come out and vote, because you spend very little time here at the polling station. So I want to urge all our people, if you can come out and vote before 11, 12, it will be good, so that at least we are certain that even if it rains, because it's a sunny day, even if it rains, even if whatever happens, we have all voted. We have all exercised our democratic right. Let me say this, finally. The people are very calm. You can see that everywhere the people are very calm. There are incidences here and there, of course, obvious bribery from the people that we are competing with, which is, I mean, it's neither here nor there. The point is, the people are very calm. We want to ask the chairman of our county security team, Kwana Jaldesa, the onus is on you. The people are calm. Everybody is calm. The electoral officials are calm. The police officers in uniform are calm. The only thing is that you give us an assurance that there will not be hooded policemen here. Every policeman will be identifiable. That is the exact thing that we expect from our county security team. That's the only thing that we expect, that they'll be able to secure all these places. We are hearing here and there, here and there, here and there. But generally, the place is very calm. We have not seen any major incidents around our polling station, here or anywhere else. We hope that it will be the same until evening, but we want to urge our people. The clarion call is to urge our people to come out and vote. Come out and vote, and come out in good time. please do not wait until it is late. Do not wait until it is afternoon. Just come out and vote, because I'm sure since we came here, you can see the lines are moving really quite fast. You people have been here and you've seen that the lines are moving very fast. The Honorable Sami has voted very fast. The wife has voted very fast. So the governor was here, voted very fast. So we do not expect any issue or any hitch. Question? Okay.
Yes, my name is Jane Kihara, Member of Parliament for Naivasha constituency. What I can say about this election is that it doesn't look like a by-election, where the presiding officer waits for the voter and stays for like 3-5 minutes before they come. So this is a very important election. I met our candidate at 5 o'clock at Gorica. I've visited a few. So the queues are very long, but they are moving very fast, like it has been said. Kwa hivyo mimi ningeuliza tu wananchi wajitokeze. And from now on, we just want the prevailing peace to continue up to the end. We met in Gorica at 5 in darkness, and it was very chilly. We met again at Mumbi, and now we have met here, which means mtu akujituma amezunguka sana. Pia sisi tumezunguka sana. And we are hoping to win. I was elected in a by-election, and people didn't come out. So why have people, or Kalau people, come out? So many of them. They are those who are still in Nairobi. They are boarding matatus. It is because this election is very, very important for this country. And we hope that it will end the way it has started.